HAMSTER Kombat airdrop distribution has taken place, and you can see that the airdrop allocation and the tokens that has been given. But now this is very disappointing to a whole lot of people, and I've been seeing questions flying around that HAMSTER Kombat is scam, HAMSTER Kombat is dust, and all that. So I want to clarify some things. So for what the listing price might look like. Now remember, Cartesian did almost the same thing and they listed at a good price, but very uncertain HAMSTER Kombat will list at that price. Let's also have a look at what the pre-market trading price is currently for HAMSTER Kombat on Bybit and on Bitgate, and we are going to use that to now compare what we might actually be getting, and from this you can now calculate what you might earn. So if you go to Bybit, you are going to see the pre-market listing price for HAMSTER is 0.1, and if you open this, you can see that this actually started, the floor price started at 0.001, and then it rose to 0.1. Now 0.1, which means that they're actually going to be trading at a market cap, or listing at a market cap of over 10 billion. So you can see right here 0.001 and 0.1 now, which is going to tell you that the listing price for HAMSTER Kombat will be between 0.1 to 0.001, which it's not going to go as low as 0.001. Now let's have a look at Bitgate on what their own listing price is. You can see Bitgate here has 0.0097 for HAMSTER Kombat, which is going to tell you that HAMSTER will list between 0.1 to 0.01, 0.1 to 0.01, and it's going to be in between 0.1 to 0.01. So let's say 0.05, 0.06, 0.07. That is what it might list at, 0.05 to 0.07. Now if you use this to calculate the tokens that you have, which will give you the result, if they'll actually list at 0.05 to 0.07, it's not actually a bad thing. It won't be a bad thing, but considering the amount of tokens that was given out to people, depends. So let's see what is going to happen on the listing date. Would HAMSTER Kombat list at a high price, or would they list at a lower price? So let's see. Comment what you think in the comment section and let's know. I won't really say we should give up on the project yet, although it's seeming like there's no end to this. But let's be hopeful and see that the listing price comes out well. Thank you for watching. Please kindly subscribe to the channel, because we will bring you updates as the time is going, depending on how the market looks. So subscribe to the channel and make sure to like this video and turn on post notifications for updates whenever we drop, and make sure to join our Telegram community. The link is also in the description. Thank you.